Hey guys, it's David from Trade Support Group. Just want to follow up with our CCI and ATR with our strategy for today and the results so far. The results so far, as you can see, we've had two hit our take profits. We went a little aggressive with one scalping trade earlier, and you can see in total we've brought in around $1,370, almost, let's say, $1,400 for the day, which is 1.4% on this account. So it's so far this week, including today, we've made about 2.2%, about $2,200. So not bad. What I really want to do is update you guys on what's happening with this particular trade. As you can see, we opened up on a day chart here. We're looking at platinum. And based on what we were looking at, we see a very strong resistance line up here. We sold right here at the top earlier today, so we're going to keep you guys updated on these. We're expecting really volatile, or at least movements in a bearish direction in our favor, but we will definitely keep you guys updated. We went a little aggressive with these trades, so we want to keep you guys up to date and let you know what happened, whether we wipe out our earnings for the day or have a chance to maybe double them up. We'll catch you later, and we'll catch you up to date. Take care, guys. Alright guys, it's David from Trade Support Group. Hope everybody's doing well. We're wrapping up our third day of this holiday week of one strategy a day that's proven to be profitable. So, as you saw the last video, we were waiting for our last day trades to close. We didn't want to leave anything open longer than the one day. So, let's start off with the bad news. We lost about $250 in these two trades here. And afterwards, we did fairly well. As you can see, we had a few hit our take profits, a few others that we just closed right before a take profit. We had a nice trade today on platinum for about $1,200. So in total today, we made a total of $1,500 plus. All right. No matter if this is a $10,000 account or a $100,000 account, it's still a very good outcome. So we're going to wrap up the day. So far, that brings our earnings for this week alone to be, let's see, 2,288. So with that being said, we're off to a very, very good start, and let's close out the year on a good note. So stay tuned till tomorrow. We'll start a new strategy tomorrow, and if you guys need any assistance, sign up for free consultation. You will see the link in the video below. Let us know if you have any questions. Subscribe to our page, and of course, don't wake up tomorrow regretting yesterday. See you guys. Take care.